In Filipino, Julia Jessie C. Crame. Responsibility, dreams, faith. Good morning, dear parents, teachers, administrators, and schoolmates. Let me share with you the 3 key factors that help me succeed in my studies. The first is responsibility. A lot of people have been responsible for helping me to become successful in my quest for learning. My parents, especially my mom, who inculcated the study habits that my sister and I have been using ever since our CASA days. My teachers, painstakingly, they taught us and sacrificed a lot in order to teach and mold us, not only to become book learners, but life learners as well. Our administrator, principals, guidance counselor, and staff. My classmates, who encouraged and assisted me in our projects and pursuit for further wisdom. My little secrets. No man is an island. You cannot do it alone. You need the help of God and other people. You have to allocate time for everything you do on a daily basis. You must read and do advanced studying. It widened my knowledge and helped me absorb more of our studies. Have the courage to face your weaknesses. Math was mine, and I really studied hard to overcome this flaw. And prevailed, I did. Do relaxed studying. I tend to forget everything if I am too focused on what I am reviewing. Dreams is the second. Graduation is not the end, but only the start of a new journey towards our new goals in life. Yes, we have to have dreams, to become more than we could ever think of ourselves. Dream of becoming a better student, aspire for achieving a higher average, and compete not with others, but with ourselves. And last but not the least, faith. Always ask for God's guidance and protection. Trust God in everything you do. Have faith and believe that you can do things beyond your expectations. And as Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Again, everyone, most especially my batchmates, these are the 3 key factors that have helped me succeed through my studies. Responsibility, dreams, and faith. I hope that you have learned from my story, and I expect each of us to succeed during our high school days. Thank you, and to God be the glory.
Thank you, Julia. Now, after all the graduates have proven that